Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So I go instead of moisturizing my lips, I'm putting a primer on my eyebrows. There's this new eyebrows I saw that I want to show you guys. So I comb it out. I need to find my spoolie. So you press it in, then you now sharpen your pencil to be very sharp. Then you draw a hairline trance. You fill in the brows. You don't draw any lines, just fill in the brows by drawing hairline trance. And you really need a very sharp pencil for this. I'm using Davis number 3 eye pencil as usual. So I did something different, something new, and I'm starting a new series called Back to Basics very soon. But this one is just makeup for black women. So after filling it in, I go in to clean up the brows with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. And I really like the finish of the brows. So to clean my upper brow, I'm going in with the foundation that I'll use. That's the Ezekiel foundation. And guys, if I that don't have brows can pull this off, any person can pull it off. You guys know how sparse my brows are, but it looks so natural when I was done. I think this is my new favorite brow. So for my eyeshadow base, I go in with the same LA Girl Pro Concealer, the one I used before, as my eyeshadow base. I blend it out with my finger. You can use a damn beauty blender, but mine wasn't close. So I'm mixing these two colors as my first transition color. And if you are using a darker color, if you are being with a darker color, focus it on the outer corner of your eye. Then you can drag it in later into your eyes. So I use that orange as my second transition color and apply using a circular motion with very little force. And I'm using a shimmer for my lid area. So since it was actually very bright, there was no need to use another color for my tear dot. And I apply using a tapping motion for maximum pigmentation. You don't drag. So I went back in with the first transition color to clean any harsh lines so that the shadows will be well blended. So I'm now lining my eyes for I've forgotten the name of the liner, to be in the description box below. And guys, lining is work, so you take your time. So onto the face, I'm moisturizing my face with Nivea body cream. And I use Pond's as my primer. I apply this all over my face since I have very oily skin. But if you have dry skin, you should use a mattifying primer. So I went in to apply my lashes. Then I use a tweezer to press it in, to press the falsies with my natural lash, because I don't like that look of when you walk close to somebody, you can see your natural lash. So I went in with the foundation, the Zickel foundation, using this classic brush, and I'm applying it using a stapling motion. I'm not dragging. And since it's, the weather here is quite hot this time of the year, I don't too much foundation. I don't think too much foundation will be advisable during this period. Well, the foundation actually blends in very well. And guys, please don't forget to blend in your neck. No matter how perfect the foundation is to your skin. In my own case, my neck is usually darker than my face and my chest, but I always match my foundation to my chest. So I went back into that LA Girl Pro Conceal as my highlighter, highlighting beneath my eyes, my chin, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead. And I'm blending it out with a damp beauty sponge. Using a dabbing motion, I'm dabbing it in, not dragging it all over the place. Guys, can you guys see these brows? I loved it. So I set my highlighted areas immediately with a loose powder. So for my contour and other good stuff, I'm going in with this Avo Professional Powder Palette. And to apply my contour, I'm using a soft brush and a circular motion to apply so that there will be no harsh lines, with very little force. And for my hairline too, I'm using a dabbing motion. I'm just stapling it in, since I don't like that look of foundation boom hairline, so I like contouring my hairline. So I line my waterline with a dark gel. So what I did to the upper part of my eyes, I'm doing it to the lower part. I'm applying the first foundation color on the lower part of my eyes. Now I'm going in with a blush, my second favorite part of makeup. I'm not applying too much, just a little bit, since I was going to a very serious place. So for the tip of my nose, I'm applying and blending out the bridge of my nose. I apply and I blend out. And my cubic bow too, I apply, I blend out. So I went in with a mascara for my waterline. Sorry. For my lower lashes. To line my lips, I went in with this MAC. I think it's MAC. Lippy. Using it to line my lips. I'm using this classic nude. I love this combination. I make sure I blend it in. So guys, what do you think of the brows and the shadow? But the brows. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to give your girls a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe too. Oh, I'm loving these brows. So until next time, bye.